Hello guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install ComfyUI and LTX video 0.9.8 final version. Okay, first of all, you have to go here to the Google Chrome. Once it's opened, it searches for ComfyUI download. Go to the GitHub, the first link. After that, we have to go here. Want to download the portable version. Select this portable version. Direct download. Downloading is begin. Okay, fine. The download is finished. Let's go here to my ComfyUI. Open folder. Go right here. Go to General. Extract where ComfyUI Portable. Okay, now it's done. Okay, before you open the ComfyUI, you must download two programs. First one is Python. It downloads. Want to choose the latest version. Open. Install now. Close this. Second one is Git. Git download. Window. A Git for 64 setup. Down. Okay, download is finished. Open. Next. Install. Okay, fine. And take this. Finish. Okay, let's go here to my ComfyUI. Now I can open this ComfyUI. Okay, run VDGPU fast. This one is good, better than the others. Let's take some time to install. Okay, fine. The installing is finished. But there is a problem. The manager of the ComfyUI is missing. Okay, let's install. How to do that? We have to go here. Search for ComfyUI Manager. Go to the GitHub, first link, and let's see how to install this. The best way to do that, we have to download this script and add it to the ComfyUI Windows Portable folder. As you can see right here in this image. Okay, let's do that. The script is okay. What's the problem right here? There is another way. Let's see how to do that. Download with EDM. Okay, go to the directory. Cut this and go to the ComfyUI Windows Portable. Paste it right here. Now, second thing we want to do is to close the ComfyUI from this window and this one. Let's return here to my ComfyUI Portable. Hit install. And let's wait a moment for the installing finished. I think it's done. Now let's run the ComfyUI. Times. Okay, fine. After that, we have the manager. Okay, custom nodes manager, install missing nodes, custom nodes, and other things. Okay, now let's move to the next step. Is to install the LTX video 0.9.8 in the next part. Thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.